you 200 times more volume. Ooh, pretty. We grew from that experience. Excuse me, what? Hey girl, welcome to Emmarie Lane, where my goal is to find you the best beauty products for the best prices. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of a different battle because there's 3 products involved. That's not normal. The new Covergirl Simply Ageless 3-in-1 Mascara. It's a primer, serum, and mascara all in one versus the Covergirl Lash Blast Amplifying Primer and the Covergirl Clump Crusher Mascara. So I'm going to be testing out my primer and mascara on one side and the 3-in-1 on the other. See if it's really 3-in-1, if it really does that job, or if you need to keep the 2 steps. Let's get into it. Starting off with the originals, the OGs. I haven't tried any of this before. No bias here. I'm going to be doing the primer and clump crusher on my right and the new Covergirl on my left. Get zoomed in. Oh, it says help to condition and prime lashes. So this does have some type of conditioner. It doesn't say serum, but something closer to the other mascara than I thought. Any directions of any kind? Oh, it says wait 30 seconds to dry before you apply your mascara. Okay, that is huge. I'm not the biggest fan of like ginormous silicone brushes, so we'll see. For the primer, it says this primer glides evenly to maximize the results of your favorite mascara. It's creamy, lightweight, and gives your lashes an instant boost. It says bring on the volume from root to tip. And on Ulta's website, it's $9.99. But if you're gonna buy this, look at the link in my bio. But like, don't get it from Ulta. I'll put the cheapest option I can find in the description box because you can get it for a lot cheaper than that. Okay, I really tried to get in there. Although it's not as white as other primers that I'm used to. It's like more like a cream color, so it's harder to pick up on. I don't know. Wait 30 seconds. I'll open this while we're waiting. So you have to like undo the cap on this kind. Ooh, the brush is cool though. It's like that curved. That's the kind of, if we're gonna do silicone or plastic, I like it to be smaller. Here's satisfaction. And black. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds, right? Again, according to Ulta's website, for the Clump Crusher Mascara, it says evenly distribute mascara with the Clump Crusher Mascara by Covergirl. The innovative curved brush combined with buildable fiber. Ooh, I love fiber mascaras. Formula that gives you 200 times more volume and length to your lashes. Okay, I'm doing 3 coats because this formula is freaking dry. Lashes appear volumized, longer, and more separated with no clumps. I'll also link the cheapest version of this because Ulta it's $9.99. You don't need to pay that much. Okay, even though this formula is dry, I really like how my lashes look. If dry formulas bug you though, not for you. But my lashes look really good. This combo is good so far. I mean, if you're new here, you know I never say I like a mascara until the end of the day to see if it's transferred everywhere because mascara transfers so easy on me. Round 2. Such a cute bottle. What does the brush look like? Ooh, pretty. It kind of reminds me of like a curved version of the Lash Paradise one. So that's promising because I love Lash Paradise. Okay, now for the new girl. According to Amazon, get youthful looking lashes that are plumped with Simply Ageless Lash Plumping. I didn't remember reading that on the box. Oh, that it says Lash Plumping. Okay, for longer, thicker, and stronger looking lashes. Well, we like that. And the serum is supposed to work in 4 weeks of using this daily. I'm not gonna try that out. I'm sorry. I used Lash serum, so I'm worried about the combination of like primer and mascara. Infused with hyaluronic complex and bamboo serum, the formula instantly plumps and volumizes lashes. That is 1 coat. The soft curved brush coats every single lash evenly for buildable volume and definition without clumping. See, that's why I did the clump crusher, because this really sounds like a combination of those 2 minus the serum. The gentle formula treats your lashes and lash line with care for less fallout. I love that so much. That is 2 coats. I'm gonna do a 3rd one just to make it fair. Holy cow. Now, this one, you're gonna have to spend a little bit more money. It's brand new. It's gonna be $9.99 basically everywhere. It might differ by a few cents, but I just get it on Amazon, so you can get free shipping if you have Prime. Fun fact, my first mascara was Covergirl mascara, and it was that green one that had serum in it that they had Taylor Swift advertised. Does anyone remember that? That was my favorite thing ever. I had no idea if it actually made my lashes grow bigger, but this reminds me of that. I love that mascara so much. I was so sad when they discontinued it. But then I got into the world of, all the other mascaras, so it's fine. We grew from that experience. Excuse me, what? It did it. It gave a similar effect as the primer and mascara did. I think it actually did a little bit of a better job. What? That's crazy. Yeah, I like this side a little better. It's a little bit more voluminous. It's not as dry of a formula. It's more moussey. I wouldn't say it's like wet by any means, but it's not as like, I feel like I have to do a million coats to get it on there. I did get it all over my lids on this side. On this side, I didn't really struggle with that, but with these kind of like fluffy brushes, that's always a big struggle for me. I can apply makeup, I promise. It's fine. It's fine. If you didn't know this, I always like to say this whenever I do mascara videos. You have the mascara dry, take a dry spoolie and just scrape it off, and it just comes off without ruining the rest of your eyeshadow. So we're good. Okay, I'm very impressed. Okay, so I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on and I'll be right back. It is currently 11:58. Okay, I'm kind of like obsessed with the Simply Ageless one. I can't talk, it's fine. Like this combo looks really good, but like this is kind of next level. But we still don't know how long it's gonna wear. So I'm gonna go about my day. I'll do a check-in halfway throughout the day in natural lighting so we can see how things really are. And right now it's just seeing whether the mascara makes my lashes fall because it's too heavy. I highly doubt it, but you never know. And then if it transfers onto the lids or flakes or gets weird or anything like that. So I'll see you in just a second. Okay, we're at about 5.5 hours. I'm about to leave, and so I thought I'd just do the check-in right now. Girl, everything looks so good. There's no transfer at all on either side. Both lashes have stayed up exactly how I thought they would. My lashes always fall a little bit, even when I do the trick, the like lash curl hack that Moussey Quiet that I have discovered recently. They still fall a little bit, but they still look really, really good. I'm super happy. We still have another 6.5 hours to go though, so a lot of things can change. We'll see. I was just getting ready for bed and then I remembered I needed to finish this video. It's currently 1:13, so we're a little past 12 hours by this point. Slightly sad news. I am going to be picky because that's what I try to do on this channel. So you know everything. It did transfer slightly. This area right here looks slightly darker, but there's not even a distinct line or lines. You know how like a lot of times, for at least for me, mascara transfers, they're like distinct little marks where lashes hit. And on this side, there's really not an issue. The curl on either side held up about the same. Not great, not horrible. There's still some curl left in there. I almost cried a couple times today. I had to hold back tears a couple times today. I don't know why today was my day to like almost cry a million times, but it was. And there was no like huge issue. Even when there was a little bit of spillage, a couple tears came down. Never bawled or anything like that. Just a little cry. There was no marks. There was no mascara running down my face. So there's that to take into consideration. Is this like 100% the exact same if we were to use a primer and a mascara? No. But is it so close that, and I like the look of it better, that I would just recommend this. Plus it has serum in it, so it's like not as bad for your lashes. Yes, I like the brush a little bit better. I like how it looks a little bit better. I can't tell you if it helps your lashes grow in, what was it, like 4 weeks or something like that, but it can't hurt, right? Hopefully. The color, I'm also kind of obsessed with the packaging, which I shouldn't sway me, but it does just a little bit at this point. So honestly, I would say just go for this. Just go for this. You can save some money. It might only be like $1 or $2 because how cheap you can get the primer and the mascara, but you can save some money, save some room in your makeup stuff, save some time, all the things. I'm kind of obsessed with this mascara. It kind of reminds me of the Lash Paradise, but it's like different. It's not the exact same. Your lashes do look somewhat different. If you want to see a video about a possible dupe for the Max Stack mascara, you can click right here. I'll link everything I talked about in the description box below. Those links are affiliate links, so I do get a small percentage of the profits if you use my link to buy the product, but it does not affect you in any way. I love you guys so much, and don't ever forget that you are enough. Bye! Mwah!